Hey guys, it's Peter Nukasani, and I wanted to make a quick video today explaining my thoughts and the review on the Bank of America travel credit card that we've been using for the last 2 years. So the card that we use is this one, the blue one right here, Travel Rewards. And it's not really a fancy credit card, but it has worked out for us really well. So first of all, I think you get a 1.5 points for every $1 spent on all purchases. So a lot of other cards, like they'll promise higher points, like 2 or 3 times points or whatever. I know Chase has a good program as well, but we've just stuck with the Bank of America travel credit card from the start. So the one advantage also is as you gain, you call it, if you use Bank of America and you hold a significant certain amount of like balance, they'll actually upgrade your card too, so that you get even more points than this 1.5 points. I've heard about that one. So that's a really nice little advantage as your business grows. And also the other thing is it's across all categories, which I really like because, for example, they might give you some cards, say they'll give you 3x points, but it might be on gas. But what if you're spending a ton more on marketing or like ads or whatever for your business that are not gas, right? So that's where usually, like, I don't really like the whole tiered point system. And I mean, if you're on top of it, it's great. But if you just want to know a certain fixed points for, if for your mailers or whatever, this card has been great. It's very straightforward. And I use these points to travel to different conferences, and they definitely rack up and add up over time, especially a lot of you guys that are sending out tons of mailers every month. If your mail company accepts credit cards and they don't charge you more for using it, this can be a great way to pay for a lot of your travel expenses to different conferences or whatnot. So I just wanted to share that. Had no problems with it, and I think it's a great little credit card. It's very solid, especially if you need a national bank. If you want to hold credit at a national bank, Bank of America and Chase are kind of like the go-to options along with Wells Fargo. Yeah, this is a great option if you're looking for something travel points.